is currently 10:51. It is December 21st. It is Pam's birthday today. Happy birthday, Pam, because I know you're watching this. And so I have a lot to do today. We leave for St. Louis tomorrow morning at like 8:30, so I have a lot to do today. I'm gonna pick up a receipt from my mom. I'm gonna have to return one of the slips that I got because it did not work with my dress that I was gonna wear, so I'm gonna have to return that. The other slip kind of worked. We're just gonna have to safety pin it. Other than that, I have to do a return. I have to buy 2 last things for Christmas. Very exciting. When I come home, I need to edit the Vlogmas that's going up tomorrow, since I'll be in a car for 6 hours tomorrow, and my laptop dies within 2 minutes of it being off the charge. And then I also need to do laundry. I need to clean the house. My mom has tasked me with vacuuming the floors, all the carpet, and like dusting fans. And I need to pack for St. Louis. And then later tonight, we're going out for Pam's birthday. We're going out to dinner, and then we're going downtown, walking around, taking some fire pics. So I need to be ready to go by 7 so I can leave the house by 7:15. So I have a lot to do, a short amount of time, so let's get into it. And we're back. So we just got done doing all the returns, and we got some socks for presents, and now I'm going to the bank. Woohoo. I don't know if it like actually has healing effects or anything, or if it's like a placebo thing. The last time I was feeling like I was getting a cold kind of sick, I got it and like I felt better the next day. So I decided to get it, not because I feel like I'm getting sick, it's because I'm getting over being sick. As you guys know, I had strep, and I'm over it. Mostly I'm still taking the antibiotics for it, the pill antibiotics. I'm almost done with those, but I'm taking it just like as an extra precaution, because like you don't want to get sick on top of being done being sick, I guess. So yeah, I got the immune builder smoothie from Smoothie King. So I'm currently working on packing for St. Louis, and so a lot of the stuff that I'm packing won't be able to go in until tomorrow, because it's like stuff that I use every day, or like my makeup that I'm gonna wear tonight. Something that I recommend when you're packing to go, like if you're taking like your cosmetic stuff, is I firstly recommend using Go Tubes, which are these guys right here. They don't really come off at all. Like the lids don't come off. They're like super spill proof. But if not, use cling wrap. You guys probably already know this already, but just put cling wrap on it. I'm currently working on packing. I'm also doing laundry too, so I feel like I can't pack a lot right now. And I just realized I needed a travel loofah. I'm struggling. Oh. This is the finished look. Put some fake eyelashes on, and I really suck at it. Thank you. Spray my perfume. Yeah. Doing great, sweetie.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna favorite.
I like tapestries. I want to do more like ornaments and stuff, but I'll do that for next
Wait, wait, can you show me your Etsy store? I'm gonna promote my channel.
Oh my god,
can you open it?
the sweetest thing. I'm so scared right now.
Like, I've never been on a. Is it a vlog that you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never been.
This is for Vlogmas.
Your shot.
There you go.
Do you like it? If you don't like the color, you can do something else.
Oh no,
You made that?
I did.
That's beautiful. Okay, is this your shop?
Yes.
Okay. God
This looks so pretty.
Oh my gosh, you guys definitely follow
The yarn
us.
tassel.
Thank you
You're a
so
sweet
much.
human.
That's gorgeous.
See,
Happy
she makes
birthday.
Oh, thank you. This is so
so much
sweet.
talent.
But I can't talk. I just did a paid promotion on Instagram yesterday.
We are gonna see. Look at the fireplace. got the macaroni broth with spinach, chicken, and mushroom.
We might need to
And
season a
basically
little
got
bit,
the
but
same
they're pretty
thing
okay.
without
Maybe a
chicken.
little bit more salt.
Ooh.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my god, that's flash. Heather, are you vlogging?
Maybe. It's entertaining. Because you're beautiful and the light. Oh my god. Ooh, I almost died. Ah! I literally almost died. I just stepped on a crack. Ah, Des Moines. My goodness, you look beautiful tonight. This is fun. Walking the downtown skywalks.